Welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Info Short. I'm your host, David Murray, and today we're going to step out on the boat and take a look at some fishing knots. But before we can get our short out to our planetary population, we got a little bit of business we got to take care of. So let's get started by, well, rolling the open. You know, we're all looking for a knot that's quick, it's simple, it's easy to tie, even in high winds. I've got one for you called the Palomar Knot. So let's take a look at rigging one of those. Now I've got my leader material. Take about 6 or 8 inches of that, and I'm going to double it over. Just so, just like that. Now, I'm going to take the end where I doubled it, and feed that through the eye of my hook, like so. And now I'm going to tie an overhand knot. Just like that. Simple? Yes. Now we can take our hook, we're going to put it through the loop, and we're going to begin pulling the lines back toward me. There's the main line, tag line, main line, tag line, snip, snap, done. That's it. Quick, simple, very strong, tie and win, Palomar knot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's short. You know, in the weeks coming up, we've got a handful of fishing knots we're going to take a look at, from the Albright Special to the Palomar Knot to the Double Uni and also the Haywire Twist. Then we're going to put them all together and show you how you can use them in conjunction with each other. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that little notification bell, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and we encourage you to leave comments. So until next week, God bless, and we'll see you soon.